G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons and I'm here at Polaris GPS, their brand new workshop and offices in Seven Hills, Sydney, New South Wales. We're going to take a sneak look inside. Are you ready? Come with me. So this is the new warehouse and workshop. Isn't it huge? Big enough you can put in the cars and trailers and caravans and motorhomes and trucks, even buses. It's terrific. Polaris have a whole range of products to get you to your destination in safety and style. Let me show you some more. Every Polaris GPS unit that gets sold goes through a rigorous testing process and they have all the mapping loaded from scratch. This ensures that you get a working product. Not only that, but every single product that leaves the warehouse is tested, whether it be a cable, an adapter or a whole reverse camera kit. So this is the technicians area. If they're not actually fitting GPS units, then they can answer all your technical questions and all the repairs are done in-house. Okay, let's head upstairs and I'll show you their new offices and product display board. Here's the product display board. You can look at the products, you can touch the products, you can play with the products and then decide which one's right for you. And finally, here's the office where all your inquiries and orders, and live chat, emails, plus more are attended to right here by the Polaris team. Here's some fun facts for you. Contrary to popular belief, Polaris is actually an Australian small business made up of just 6 staff members and the majority of them have all worked here for over 10 years. So what's this mean for you? It means the staff seriously know their stuff and you can have confidence in their expertise and skills. So what do? Give Polaris GPS a call or go to their website, polarisgps.com.au.